So here it is, all welded up. It's not perfect, but we aren't here to critique my welding. And let's see, here we go. That's the way it's going to sit. Now this is obviously going to be the bottom, so it's going to be down here. Now these aren't exactly perfectly 45s. Obviously there's some gapping and some issues, but it'll be good enough. So I ran into a problem and I went to fix it. I was too short of fire brick, so I went and bought some. These ones. Obviously they're smaller. Like a lot smaller. So I had to buy two more. I literally just got home, put everything up, and got these. So now what I'm going to do is put these in here, like these. And then I'm going to take the top, which is right there, and flip it over and put it in here. However, before I do that, I want to cement this in place with the refractory. No, I don't want to do that. I don't want a refractory cement in place. But this means that the fire brick I will have, I can use to block up the end. So that's a good thing. Yay! I know, right? These frame fits in here very well. The bricks fit in the frame very well. But I need to cut my hole in here, like a 90 on both sides. On these two, and then these two, so I have a hole in the middle. Then once I set it up on here, measure the width here, or height here, and then cut 4 pieces of angle iron, weld it on here, and I will have the main part of the forge built. Then it'll just be the piping and all that stuff, which I have yet to figure out. Because I want to get this thing built. And I'm going to have to put a strap in here so these don't fall out. But yeah, there you go. It's somewhat built. This is an update from a couple days ago. Because I've been working and I had to wait on money to come in. So here's my holes laid out. It's about 1.5 inches wide, 1.25 inches, something like that. So now all I gotta do is cut it.